Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. Hope you guys are doing well. And today we are going to solve one of the Spark interview question. Okay, so let's see what is the question, and we'll solve this question in SQL also. Okay, in both the language we'll solve this question. And once again, I will say, guys, share your experience also if you guys are also attending multiple interviews where what kind of question they are asking to you guys, the interviewer. Please share with us so that we can also learn that in current market what kind of question you guys are facing, and on top of that we can mention in our video also that this kind of questions interviewers are asking. Okay, so if you guys will not share your experience, then how we'll able to know now. Okay, so I would expect you guys, you will share your interview experience on the comment. Okay, so तुम लोग share करो यार. Without your support, मैंने पहले भी बोला, we will not able to grow, man. So support us. Comment on this video comment section. If the video is good, then like it. Okay, so today's video, we'll solve. Okay, so they have provided one of the table like that. Okay, so student name, subject, and marks. Okay, so what they want: write a Spark query to find the zero values marks and replace it with the average marks value of that subject. So wherever you have the zero value, so that would be replaced with the average marks of that subject. So if you have 0 marks on math, then you have to take the average of math. Okay, excluding this record. Okay, after taking the average, that average you should put it here, so like that. Okay, if you would have zero value on English also, the same thing will be applied. That record would be excluded. After that, the average of English subject marks, you have to get it. After that, you have to replace it. Okay, so how we'll do that, let's see. So first of all, we need to get the average value for each and every subject who which record doesn't contain any zero marks. Okay, so how we will take? So first of all, this all functions I'll run it. Okay, done. So avg avgdf. Okay, average df. So what I will do, so df dot filter. Okay, in filter, what I will do, so filter, in filter, first we will filter the zero value columns. Marks should not be zero. Okay, okay, after that we will get the average marks for on top of each and every subject. So for that we will use group by subject. So already mm, already they have given me, you can see. So nowadays this AI is giving everything. Okay, but you should not use every time. Okay, I am using it here because already I have solved this problem earlier in the same notebook. Once again I am solving it, so that's why it is giving me most properly. Okay, but for your case, I would recommend, if you are learning, then don't use this. Yeah, I think, man, and try to write the code by yourself. Okay, so marks would so subject it has taken in group by, and aggregation level marks. Okay, average marks. Okay, it's fine. What is the error? df. Okay, df. Okay, once again I need to load it. So basically they are expecting the output like this, so that zero value is replaced by average marks of math. Okay, so like that. Let's go, let's run it once again. Comment it, man. If you are using AI most prominently or without AI every time you are writing the code, this kind of thing, how you are solving it, that also you can comment on the video comment section. Okay, so comment करो तुम लोग तो विदाउट दिस इंटरेक्शन, हम लोग इंटरेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो काम ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, ठीक है? तो इंटरेक्ट करो, तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस तुम लोग शेयर करो, whatever experience you have. You guys are giving interview every each and every companies, either it is a service, either it is product based. Share करो इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन पे, so that in video I can mention that current market पे ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, ठीक है? So let's go. आगे the subject and average marks. Okay, now what I need to do? So I need to find out the find out the zeros, and I need to replace with that subject's average marks. So for that, first I will perform the joining. Okay, join df equals to df dot join avg df. Okay, on top of subject we will perform this joining. Okay, after that we will perform this joining left join. Okay, so join df dot display. So I got it. So now now wherever, so each and every subject level I got the average. So maths average is 70. From here got it 70, each and every math subject we got the average marks. Now what we can do, we can just use the when function. Okay, wherever it is kind of if else statement, wherever it is 0 it would be replaced with the average marks. Okay, let's do it. Final df equals to join df oh already this AI has given me the intelligence. Okay, the most intelligence thing right now in the market. This AI, without whatever I am thinking, it is taking that. Okay, so so what is this? So basically it is taking with column, marks column once again it is taking, and wherever the marks column is 0, then it would be replaced with the average marks. Wherever it is 0 it would be replaced with average marks. Okay, and otherwise it will take as a marks value only. Okay, so like that. So this is you can see this is the output we are getting. Now from here we can remove this average column, we don't need it. So we can just use simply drop column average marks. So this is the output what they are expecting. You can see 80 50 70 60 60 50 70 60 60 x, so x x y y z, like that. Okay, this is a simple thing. Okay, so after giving the question you don't need to don't need to be more don't need to think your process more high. Okay, first try to solve it in a simple way, then you will get the path. Okay, automatically. So don't be tensed, try to solve it, and do it every videos. Whatever I am showing it, in every videos just try to solve these questions by yourself. Okay, in after completion of this video, try to do it hands-on. Okay, we can solve it in SQL also. How we can solve it? So here is the code. Okay, so I have already solved it. So I have created one temporary view to solve these things in SQL. So what I did, the same CT I have used for getting the average of non-zero marks. Okay, okay, non-zero record. Okay, non-zero marks record. We have find out, and after that we have taken the average on top of the subject. Okay, group by of the subject. After that you have used the case statement. Wherever it is zero, it would be replaced with average marks, and then the column would be as marks. Okay, so now we have performed the left join on the same query. Okay, so if you use it, if you run it, you will get to see. So बहुत easy है man. कोई भी doubt हो, if you are facing any kind of challenges, you can let me know. You can comment it, man. If you think our video is helping you, and video is so much efficient, and in today's interview also this kind of questions you are facing, so share it with your friend. And if you have faced any other questions, other question pattern, share with us also in the comment section. Okay, so that we can also learn. Okay, so interact. Okay, कमेंट करो, कमेंट पे बोलो कि क्या क्वेश्चन तुम लोग फेस किए, सो उसके बेसिस पे हम लोग भी वीडियो बना सकते हैं, वीडियो पे बोल सकते हैं कि भाई ये बंदे ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है, इसको ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है, तो इसके बेसिस पे ये आंसर हो सकता है, तो प्रैक्टिस करके जाओ, तो बाकी लोगों को भी हेल्प होगा. ठीक है, so comment it, support us, share with your friends these videos, share with your friends, and if you still not subscribe our channel Cognitive Coders, I would request you subscribe our channel and stay with us. Okay, thank you, thank you for seeing this video. For now,